by the company CarryCozy, and this is the FOXORU, I think's how you would say that, wallet. Check, first off, look at this packaging. That looks premium. This looks like it'd be great for a gift for somebody that's just wanting a wallet or whatever. I did take it out and look at it. It was packed a little better. You know, you get a little silicone thing in there for moisture. So this is all leather. You know, it comes in this little package here. Put in the package aside, and there's a little opening right here. Check out how premium this thing looks. This thing looks really good. And let me just show you how it works here. I got a little bit of cash. You got a money clip that goes like that. So you would use this as your money clip because it doesn't hold, like, it doesn't have like an opening there. And then you would get your cards, showing you how it holds the cards here. I'm not going to show all the cards because they have my information on them, but check that out. You've got pockets right here for cards. You've got a little hidden stash pocket down in there. You've got another pocket right here for like ID, but no, your ID. So if it was something you needed really quickly, you can put it right here on the outside. That's what I like about this is, see how there's a thumb thing? So if I need to get it out, say that was my credit card or debit card or ID or something, I needed to get out real quick, that's where that would go. And this is like a little thing for holding change, apparently. But you know, you could put loose items. My keychain, I don't put a lot of those little like scan codes in. I'll put them down in there, and that's a lot there. So there's actually, you know, it looks small, but there's a lot to this wallet. You got a like thing down in there where you can pack stuff so you can hide more money down in there. It's very thin. If you need a very thin wallet, if you hate a thick wallet, I highly recommend this thing because I will be using this and I absolutely love the way this goes. See how you can pull cash out real quick. So if you were rolling deep and you had a lot of cash right there, you just grab it like that and pull it out. This clip works extremely well, and it's got their logo on it, Cozy. CarryCozy, how cool is that? This is one of these items that I think would be great for a gift. For anyone that doesn't want to carry a very thick wallet, look how thin that is. I love, look at my cell phone here and look at the size of it compared to my cell phone. I have, and this is the wallet I have been carrying, and you can see how thick it is right there. It's almost half the size of the wallet I do carry with me. And that one's been getting kind of on my nerves. Pretty much I wanted to slim it down and get more of a slim down. All I need is my ID, some credit cards, and some cash, and maybe a little loose items, and that's all I carry with me from this point on. And then something quick right there. I love how you can get that quickness out right there. Ain't that cool? You can be like, there you go, and then scan it. Or you could just touch it if you have the chip where you can just touch it like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Cozy Carry wallet. Check it out. See y'all in the next video.